Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin. So what is on the radar now?
Yeah, nothing here locally.
Okay,
yeah, we're pretty quiet. In fact, so much of tomorrow is going to be mostly dry, not completely, that some people that heard storms arrive Friday may be like, well, where are they? Well, because most of them come tomorrow evening and night, so it's going to be a long time before the main event arrives. Let's talk about what's happening statewide, though, because to the north and west of us, there's already a cluster of storms. Although this isn't coming our way tonight, we may get a few stray showers or a storm during the day tomorrow. We're still watching this upper level low spinning there over the Four Corners. This low is going to dive southeast into North Texas tomorrow. And as it does so, we'll up our rain coverage in a big way. And eventually it's going to drag a cold front through central Texas too. But the rain will come way before the cold front gets here. At least our first round of rain will. Here locally, just a couple of spotty sprinkles left over. We're drying out now. I do expect that gradually through the night, low clouds will take over. So you're going to begin your Friday morning with a lot of clouds and a couple of spotty streamer showers coming in from south to north. You can see a few of them there late in the morning. Rain coverage, though, super low during the day. Call it a 20% chance for a daytime shower or even an afternoon thunderstorm. But then we get into tomorrow evening, and then we see that bigger cluster of rain and storms arriving in the hill country as early as 7 p.m. And then this cluster gains steam as it drives into the metro between about 10 and midnight. We expect the rain arrives in our metro counties, so 11 o'clock within that window in Austin. Here's the thing, though. As the rain is arriving, this line of storms may bring potentially damaging wind, very heavy rain, a low risk for a quick spin-up tornado, even some brief bouts of hail here tomorrow evening and night. And then this continues into our eastern counties near and after midnight into early Saturday morning. Even after the initial round moves through, there's still going to be downpours and storms that continue for the first few hours of Saturday. And then that round pushes away. And if we can see some sunny breaks, then the atmosphere may destabilize again, and a few more spotty downpours or storms could form later in the day on Saturday ahead of the cold front that really doesn't move through the area until late Saturday night. That then pushes out the clouds, and then the air becomes much more stable and the sun returns for Sunday. So tomorrow, mostly cloudy to partly sunny, 20% rain chance. Tomorrow night, though, those chances are at 90%. And then Saturday, rain chances at 50% to start the day, dropping down to 20% for the afternoon. I still think we'll get some sun on Saturday as well. The severe weather risk, though, from late Friday into early Saturday, it's a 2 out of 5 from the metro into the hill country, with damaging wind being our primary risk, followed by hail, and then lastly, a spin-up tornado. The risk is even lower in our eastern counties. A 2 out of 4 flash flooding threat from late Friday into early Saturday. Still think most of us Friday into Saturday, you add it all up, 1 to 2 inches of rain. That'll be fairly widespread, but there'll be some isolated 2 to 4 inch amounts as well. Pinpointing exactly where those would be is still a challenge, but I think most of us in that 1 to 2 inch range, easily our wettest weather in a couple of months. Then Sunday, the sun is out, 85, 87 on Monday, 84 mostly sunny Tuesday, followed by a strong cold front that knocks us down into the mid-70s Wednesday, Thursday, and nighttime lows way down in the 50s.